Hello, and it's great to have you with us today because we're going to take a look at the United States Navy's prestigious unit awards, the Presidential Unit Citation, the Unit Commendation, and the Meritorious Unit Commendation, and their equivalent personal decorations. I think you'll be very impressed. So let's move out smartly. Start by looking at official United States Navy unit awards, and then we'll take a look at foreign unit awards. And we'll start with the Navy's Presidential Unit Citation, then we'll take a look at the Department of Defense Joint Meritorious Unit Award, then the Navy Unit Commendation, the Navy Meritorious Unit Commendation ribbon, and the Navy E ribbon or Battle Efficiency ribbon. Navy Presidential Unit Citation was established in World War II, and it's awarded by the Secretary of the Navy in the name of the President. And the citation is conferred on units for displaying extraordinary heroism. The degree of heroism required is the same as that which is required for the award of a Navy Cross to an individual. So an individual sailor assigned to a unit when the award was granted may wear the ribbon as a permanent part of the uniform. Navy Presidential Unit Citation is a ribbon-only award. The ribbon consists of 3 equal horizontal stripes of navy blue, gold, and red. And additional awards of a Navy Presidential Unit Citation are denoted by 3/16-inch bronze stars. However, there are 2 exceptions to that, and let me show you. The 2 special clasps, which you'll not see anywhere else, are the Gold N and the Golden Globe. And the N was awarded to the USS Nautilus SSN 571 to commemorate the first submerged voyage under the North Pole by a nuclear submarine, the Nautilus. The Golden Globe was awarded to the crew members of the USS Trident in 1960 for being the first nuclear submarine to circumnavigate the world submerged. I hope they had a great cook on board. Navy veterans who've received the Presidential Unit Citation may not wear or display the Navy Cross, such as Navy Corpsman Francesca here, who was awarded the individual Navy Cross for action in the Iraqi War. However, there is an alternative for veterans. The alternative, of course, is the Navy and Marine Corps Presidential Unit Citation Commemorative Medal, which could be displayed in a shadow box along with the Presidential Unit Citation. The commemorative medal is the same size as regular Navy service medals. The Joint Meritorious Unit Award was authorized by the Secretary of Defense in 1981, and it's awarded in the name of the Secretary of Defense for meritorious service superior to that which would normally be expected during combat or during a declared national emergency. The Joint Meritorious Unit Award is a ribbon-only award, and the ribbon is similar to the Defense Superior Service Medal, and the gold medal frame has laurel leaves, and they should always be pointed up. It is the equivalent of a Defense Superior Service Medal as an individual award, and additional awards are denoted by oak leaf clusters. The Navy Unit Commendation is for outstanding heroism in action or extremely meritorious service not involving combat, but in support of military operations. The unit must have performed service of a character comparable to that which would, merit the award of a Silver Star Medal for heroism or the Legion of Merit for non-combat meritorious service of an individual. Navy Unit Commendation is a ribbon-only award. The ribbon is a dark green with narrow border stripes of red, gold, and blue. And additional awards are denoted by 3/16-inch bronze and silver stars. While the Navy Unit Commendation is the equivalent of the individual award of the Silver Star, only a recipient of the Silver Star as a personal decoration may wear it. However, like the Presidential Unit Citation, there is a commemorative medal called the Navy and Marine Corps Unit Commemorative Medal that honors all the sailors and Marines that have been awarded the Navy and Marine Corps Unit Commendation ribbon and want a medal to actually represent the ribbon. The Navy Meritorious Unit Commendation ribbon is awarded by the Secretary of the Navy to units which distinguish themselves by either valorous or meritorious achievement considered outstanding, but to a lesser degree than that's required for the Navy Unit Commendation. The commendation may be awarded for service in combat or non-combat situation and is the equivalent of the individual award of the Bronze Star for Valor or the Bronze Star for Meritorious Service. It's a ribbon-only award, and the ribbon is dark green with narrow red stripes, flanked on either side by stripes of gold, navy blue, and gold, and additional awards are denoted by 3/16-inch bronze and silver stars. There is no commemorative medal available for the Navy Meritorious Unit Commendation ribbon. The Navy E ribbon recognizes individuals who were permanently assigned to ships or squadrons that won the battle efficiency competition. The Navy E ribbon was established in 1976 and is authorized to be worn by all personnel who served as permanent members of a ship's company or squadron winning the Battle Efficiency Award. It's a ribbon-only award. It's navy blue with borders of white and gold with a silver E in the center. Additional awards are indicated by additional E's, and the fourth and final award is denoted by an E surrounded by a silver wreath. Now let's take a look at 5 foreign awards authorized Navy veterans since World War II. The first being the Philippine Presidential Unit Citation, and we'll take a look at the Republic of Korea Presidential Unit Citation, the Republic of Vietnam Presidential Unit Citation, and then, of course, the more interesting one, the Vietnam Gallantry Cross Unit Citation, and the Vietnam Civic Action Unit Citation. And on your left, the Philippine Republic Presidential Unit Citation was awarded to naval personnel during World War II and also for 1970-72 disaster relief. The Korean War Republic Presidential Unit Citation is authorized to all Navy veterans who served during the Korean War. The next one, the Republic of Vietnam Presidential Unit Citation, the yellow with red stripes, was awarded so little you might consider it obsolete. The Republic of Vietnam Gallantry Cross Unit Citation is authorized to every Navy veteran who served in Vietnam. It is the equivalent of the Republic of Vietnam Gallantry Cross individual award at the Army level. So while the actual Vietnamese Gallantry Cross is not authorized if you've just received a unit citation, there is a very handsome commemorative medal. Some Navy veterans of the Vietnam War also received the Republic of Vietnam Civic Action Unit Citation, which represented the Civic Action Medal as shown on the left. There is also a very nice Civic Action Commemorative Medal for those who would like to have one. Let me take a second here and point out the difference between unit awards and ribbon-only awards, because unit awards are presented as public evidence of a deserved honor of distinction to any ship or aircraft or naval unit. Ribbon-only awards are service awards intended to represent some service or duty that is otherwise arduous or of a special nature. So here's a good example of a Navy veteran's ribbon rack. It starts in the upper left-hand corner with a personal decoration, then unit awards, the E ribbon, the Good Conduct Medal, and then the service medals. The Navy, when wearing full-size medals, the unit awards go on the right breast as shown here. Here's a really good example of how full-size medals and unit awards would be worn on the officer, chief petty officer, and E1 through E6 uniforms. And on the ribbons on the left, you can see the unit awards coming after the sailor's individual decoration and before his service medals. And here again is another example of showing that the unit awards come right after personal decorations and before service medals as worn on the shirt uniform. The one place you will not see unit awards is when wearing Meritorious medals on the mess dress. Here's a nice example of a Vietnam veteran using commemorative medals to represent his unit awards. Here's another nice example of a Navy Vietnam veteran displaying his personal decorations, service medals, and unit awards. This Navy veteran of the Korean War displays both his unit awards and his service medals, along with several commemorative medals. Here's another nice example of a Vietnam Navy veteran displaying his medals along with his unit awards. Here's another nice example of a Navy veteran displaying his personal decorations, service medals, and his, unit awards, and using a few commemorative medals. And I just wanted to show this Navy Desert Storm Veterans ribbon rack to show the prestige of the unit awards because they come right after personal decorations, as you can see in this ribbon rack. And I just wanted to point out that there are no restrictions on Navy veterans wearing full-size medals, Meritorious medals, or even their ribbons for appropriate patriotic occasions. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the show as much as we enjoyed putting it together. If you did, give us a like, or even better, subscribe. And always encourage the Veterans of America to pull their awards out of that duffel bag or storage area and put them up on the wall so we can pay them the honor that they deserve. All of the information you saw today came from our newest book, Medals and Ribbons of the United States Navy, available at moapress.com or on Amazon.